Hello all, welcome back to our next episode in Suman TV. So we learned a lot of tricks in our last episodes. In this episode, I got with some new tricks how to do multiplication with fractions. Let's take an example. Suppose it is 3 by 9 of 27. Okay, so what is 3 by 9 of 27? It means 3 divided by 9 multiplied with 27. So in general trick, we need to multiply 27 with 3 and then we need to divide 9 and then we will get answer. But we will use a very shortcut trick which is very useful to get answers very fast in competitive exams or in your regular exams or anywhere if you want to find the fraction of any number. Okay, so let's draw a picture. Okay, so I am doing an arrow like this, then I am doing an arrow like this, and then I am doing an arrow like this. Okay, so it's a zigzag method. Understood? So first what we will do, we will read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, and 9 threes are 27. So we got the first answer, that is 3. Okay, so 9 threes are 27. Now what we will do, we will multiply this 3 with this 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 and we got the final answer 9. So this is the answer. So what you need to do, 9 threes are 27. So this 3 quotient you need to multiply again with the numerator. So 3 threes are 9. Let me do one more example so you can understand better. Let's try 2 by 8 of 24. So let's do again the zigzag method. So it will be like this, and like this. So 8, we know 8 table, 8 into 3, that is 24. So this 3, again you multiplied with this 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 and we got the final answer 6. Let's do one more example for you. 7 by 8 of 56. 7 by 8 of 56. So without using these arrows, we will try to find the final answer. So 8 7 ja 56. So this 7 you multiplied with this 7, 7 ja 49. So 7 by 8 of 56 is equal to 49. Let's do one more example. This is 4 divided by 5 of 75. 4 by 5 of 75. So we know 75 and 5, how much it is? This is 15. So 15 5 is 75. This 15 we will multiply with 4. So 15 into 4, that is 60. Okay, so through this method we can easily find out the fraction numbers of any number. We will do one more for you. 2 by 9 of 81. What is the 2 by 9 of 81? So it is very easy. 9 9s are 81 and this 9 you multiply with this 2. 9 2s are 18. So we got the final answer, that is 18. So 2 by 9 of 81 is equal to 18. Hope all of you understand this topic. So let's go with one more topic of multiplication. Let's take some examples. Suppose it is 72 multiplied by 78, 56 multiplied by 54, 37 multiplied by 33, 91 multiplied by 99. Okay, so this is a special kind of numbers where we are doing multiplication. If you will see carefully, we will find some similarities in these questions. What are those similarities? Let me explain you. Let's see first the unit places of all the numbers. What is there? See, if we are adding this units 2 and 8, that is 10. We are adding 6 and 4, that is also 10. If we are adding 7 and 3, that is also 10. If we are adding 1 and 9, that is also 10. So this is the first similarity, that if you will add the unit digits of these two numbers, that should come 10. Now let's see the tens place. In tens place, here it is 7 and 7, both the digits are same. Here it is 5 and 5, both the digits are same. Here it is 9 and 9, both the places are same. Here it is 3 into 3, both the places are same.